Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tirpan Study Center. We are going to do today doing a very important topic for a class 10 CBSE NCERT science chapter here. Electricity MCQ question. There is a base on text which will be very important for the exam point of view and it will be important for the competitive exam also. Let's see what is our topic today. Know that next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, if the resistance of contain copper wire is 1 ohm, then the resistance of a similar nichrome wire will be about. Question is clear. If the resistance of contain a copper wire is 1 ohm, then the resistance of similar nichrome wire will be about. There is a 25 ohm, B 30 ohm, C 60 ohm, D 45 ohm. You know that the question is clear. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. That's important. Okay? You write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. This question is clear here because what a statement demanding this important. The statement here 60 ohm 60 ohm, there is an option is C, the correct answer here 60 ohm. You know that directly answer the 60 ohm. Why? Your question on your mind, why the 60 ohm? There is a copper's wire is a 1 ohm, there is a nickel wire will be about 60 ohm. Why? That's important thought here. But first of all, reason here, there is resistivity of a nichrome about 60 times the more than the resistivity of the copper. There is a copper is a 1 ohm and the nichromes is 60 times the more than to the resistive of copper wire. It means to the 60 ohms the right answer. You know that that's important and most important line here. There is a 1 ohm copper wire. There is a nickel wire is a 60 times more than the resistivity of copper. That's important here. It means to the option C is correct here. Option C is correct for this question here. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen and question here, the amount of work done in joules. The amount of work done in a joules when one unit electrical charge move from one point to the another point in the electrical circuit is called. Question is directly here. The amount of work done in a joule. The amount of work done in joule. When one unit electrical charge move from one point to another point is on electrical circuit is called. That's important here, but option is also important. Electrical current, B electrical resistance, C electrical conductance, D potential difference. That's important here. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. The amount of work done in a joule when one unit electrical charge moves from one point to another point on electrical circuit is called electrical current. Not a call to the electrical current. That's the wrong answer. Electrical resistance. Not a electrical resistance here. Not a electrical resistance here. Electrical conductance. Electric conductance. Nothing here. There is a called D potential difference. There is a called potential difference. It means to the option D is correct here. Option D here the correct potential difference. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. The question here, the resistivity does not be changed if the resistivity does not be changed if A, the material is a change, B, the temperature is a change, and C, the shape of the resistor is a change, and D, both material and temperature are change. Question is clear. The resistivity does not be change if. Does not be change if. First of all, write the answer for your notebook. That's important. Okay? I give a few seconds for you. You must have a write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. The resistivity does not be change if the material is a change, the temperature is a change, the shape of the resistor is a change, both material and temperature are change. You know that is a question is clear here. The option the material is a change is the nothing is resistivity does not be change if the material is a change. That's the wrong answer. The temperature is a change. The temperature change. Nothing is the correct answer for this question. It means to the A and B is here rejected. It means to D also is rejected because temperature and there is a materials. This is D option is show here. Both material and temperature are changed. It means to the D option is already rejected here. It means to the option is C is correct. The shape of the resistor is a change. That's important here. The resistivity does not be changed if the shape of the resistor is a change. That is important for this answer, and the option is C is correct for answer this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question here: if the current I through a resistor is increasing by the 100%, assume that the temperature remain unchanged. The increasing in a power dissipated will be. That's an important question here. You know that the increasing of power is 100%, B 200%, C 300%, D 400%. That's an important question here. If the current I thought a resistor is increasing by the 100%, there is a 100%, the increasing of power dissipated will be. That's important here. But first of all, give your answer for this question here. Write your answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. If the current I through a resistor is increasing by the 100 Celsius, assume that the temperature remain unchanged. The increasing in a power dissipated will be. You know that the answer is clear here. There is a 100% increasing of resistance here. It means to there is a increasing of power is a 3 times. It means to here option C is correct. Option C is correct. 300%. You have there through the resistance is increasing by the 100%. The increasing of power is dissipated here 300%. That's important here for this question, for important for the exam view also here. You know that next question that's important, and question here: the relation between to the potential difference V and current I was discovered by. You know that question is clear. The relation between the potential difference V and current I was discovered by. There is a name of discover. The VI, it means to here V is equal to IR. It means Ohm's law. You know that answer is clear here. The relation between the potential difference and current given by Ohm. It means option C is correct here. Not a given to neutron, not a ampere, not a volta. There is a given to the ohms. The relation is here V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. The relation given by Ohm. It means to the option C is correct here. Option C, Ohm. That's important here. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question here: the commercial unit of energy is. The commercial unit of energy is A. Watt, B. Watt hour, C. Kilowatt hour, or D. Joule, kilojoule. That's important and directly question here. The commercial unit of energy. Watt, watts hour, kilowatts hour, kilojoules. That's important here. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. Okay? You must have a thought of your answer. And also write the answer for your notebook. And let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. The commercial unit of energy is commercially unit of energy, not a here watt and neither watt hour. It means to the option C here, kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour, there is a correct answer for this question here. Kilowatt hour, the measurement of commercial unit of energy. That's important here, option C. Next question on your screen. On electrical fuse work on the. On electrical fuse work on the. Here the examiner asks the question of principle of electrical fuse. It means to the here option chemical effect of current, B magnetic effect of current, C lighting effect of current, D heating effect of current. That's important question here. But first of all, give the answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. Write the correct answer for your notebook. You must have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You know that on electrical fuse work on the principle. Chemical effect of current. Chemical effect of current is nothing here because chemical changing here, not electrical fuse use here. Magnetic effect of current, not a magnetic field effect. See lighting effect of current, nothing lighting of effect of current. That is the A, B, C is totally wrong. The electrical fuse work on the heating effect of current. There is a breakdown is a heating. There is a fuse is a heating and there is already breakdown to here. It means to the heating effect of current. That's a D option is correct here. D option is correct. The heating effect of current on the electrical fuse work on there. Next question on your screen. Question here. The obstruction offered by the material of conductor to the passes of electrical current is known as. Question is clear. The obstruction offered by material of conductor to be pass of electrical current is known as A. Resistance, B. Conductance, C. Inductance, and D. None of these. That's important. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. That's important. You must have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question is clear. The obstruction offered by the material of conductor to be a pass by electrical current is known as. Known as, there is a question is directly and clear. The obstruction offered by the material of conductor to the pass electric current is known as a resistance here. This is A option is correct. Resistance. Resistance is a electrical is a obstruction of the material of conductor. There is a option is correct here. A option is correct for this question. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen and question is a clear and direct. The SI unit of the resistance is. What is the SI unit of resistance is? A Newton, B ohms, C watt, D joule. That's important and easy question here. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook. Firstly, that's important. You must have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. The SI unit of resistance is A Newton. A Newton, nothing here A Newton. Newton is nothing is given to resistance here. Ohms. The ohm, that's the right answer. Ohm is given here resistance SI unit here. It means SI unit of resistance is ohm. It means B option is correct for this answer. B is correct. Ohms. Next question on your screen, and question here, which of the given statement is not true? Which of the given statement is not true regarding the electrical setup for the verification of Ohm's law? Verification of Ohm law. A option, the voltmeter is connected in a parallel with the known as a resistance. B, the ammeter is connected in a series circuit. C, the state can be only increase the resistance in the electrical circuit. And D, the single keys is used to be switch on off the electrical circuit. Question is direct and clear, but first of all give you answer for this question and write the correct answer for your notebook. You must have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see, understand what is the answer for this question here. Question is clear here. Question is clear. Which of the given statement is not a true? Here examiner asks the question not a true. Not true. It means to the false answer asking here examiner. Not a true. The regarding the electrical setup of the verification Ohm's law. You know that A options here, the voltmeter is connected to the parallel with the known as resistance. That is a true. That is a true. But here answer, examiner asking not a true. That is the right answer for voltmeter is connected to parallel with the known as the resistance. A is correct, but examiner asks not a true. It means to the ammeter is connected in a series circuit. The ammeter is connected in a series circuit. That's the right answer. But examiner asking the not a true. That's important. The resistor can be increasing the resistance in the electrical circuit. It means that is the right answer here. That is the right, because the resistor can only increasing the resistance is electrical circuit. It's not a true. It is not a true. But D option, the keys is used to switch on off the circuit is a circuit. That's a true here. It means option C is correct for this question. Option C, the correct. This topic was till this. We will do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.